Hey guys, this is Giridhar here for G Phone Tech, and today in this video, let us have a look at the HP Omen 15 laptop. The HP Omen 15 is a gaming laptop, but it doesn't look like a gaming laptop. At the outset, this looks like any ordinary business laptop, but underneath the hood, this packs in a lot of punch. The HP Omen 15 is available in multiple configurations. You can either choose an Intel i7 machine or even choose an AMD Ryzen powered configuration. The one I have for review is powered by 10th generation Intel i7 processor. The pricing varies from anywhere between 70,000 to 1,75,000 depending upon the configuration you choose. But no matter what you choose, the design remains the same. You get an all metal aluminum body which is sturdily built from all sides. On top of the lid, there is a diamond-shaped HP Omen logo, and this logo is not an RGB lit logo. Other than that bit of shiny logo, you wouldn't find any kind of blink in any part of this laptop. Underneath the laptop, there are two fans that intake the air, cool the internals, and the air is let out from the exhaust located at the back and on the left side. The ports are all located on left and right side. You get a Thunderbolt USB Type-C port, a display port, two USB Type-A ports, and on the other side, after the DC power port, there is an RJ45 port, an additional USB Type-A port, a full-sized HDMI port, a 3.5mm audio cum mic port, and an SD card reader. The port selection covers almost all kinds of connectivity that you would need on a gaming laptop. When you close the lid of the laptop, there is a small gap for almost 50% of the width. There is a tiny amount of flex if you kind of press the laptop on the lid in this area. But otherwise, the lid and the laptop feels very sturdy. The lid can be opened up to 180 degree, which means that it can completely lay flat on the table. Not that it is a very useful feature for everyone, but it just gives you more choice in the viewing angle. Just like the internals, the display also has quite a number of options to choose from. The one I have with me is a Full HD screen with 144Hz refresh rate. The display performance is really satisfactory. Though HP calls it a gaming laptop, this is a very powerful laptop that can be effectively used by any media professional. Be it video editing or image editing, the color accuracy on this display definitely would help the creator. The colors are vibrant, the contrast levels are deep, the display is bright, the bezels are narrow, and overall the display viewing experience is really good. Just above the display you find the HD web camera. The web camera quality is just average. But if you are in a well-lit condition, probably this can be a very good laptop for your video conferencing. Coming to the keys, you get full-size island-style 4-zone RGB lit backlit keyboard, which means that it also includes the numeric keypad. The keys are all soft to press, but I feel that they are placed a tad bit closer to each other. The RGB backlit can be controlled with the included HP Command Center application. The location of the touchpad below the keypad is also perfect, and the sensitivity and the performance of the touchpad was also impressive. The one I have with me is powered by 10th generation Intel i7 processor, and it has 16GB of RAM. The dual channel RAM can be expanded by up to 32GB, and also the internal storage, which is an NVMe SSD storage, can also be expanded up to 1TB. The variant I have with me is powered by NVIDIA's GTX 1650 Ti graphics card, which is a 4GB graphics card, but you also get a top-end variant with NVIDIA GeForce RTX 2070 8GB GPU. These specifications may not be the top end that you can get in the market right now, but looking at the performance, I was really impressed with this laptop. Check out the benchmark scores. But this is not about benchmark scores, this is about real life performance. The game graphics are smooth, the display, the machine, everything is very responsive. But not just for gamers, this is a very good machine for video editors, image editors, if you are not involving too much of 3D graphics probably. In my rendering test, I tried to render a 5 minutes video in 4K, and the entire rendering was complete in just 2 minutes 10 seconds. One issue I find it really annoying with the laptop is the fan noise. Not while gaming, not while rendering, but even while normally using the laptop, the fan noise is very much pronounced and irritating. But the effectiveness of the fan cooling system is really commendable. Never did I feel that the laptop was overheating at any point of time during my testing time. Coming to the battery performance, this is powered by a 6-cell 70.9 Wh lithium ion battery, and the included charger can charge this laptop from 0 to 50% in about 40 to 45 minutes. But once charged, HP promises about 10 to 12 hours of battery life, but in my usage I got barely 4 hours of battery. But this is a gaming laptop, it's not all about battery performance. A gaming laptop is generally used for its maximum performance when it's plugged to the power directly. And when it is plugged to the power, this laptop is a beast. I would highly recommend the HP Omen 15 to anyone who is looking to buy a very powerful machine in a budget of around 1 lakh. I hope you found this video useful. If you like to watch more of my videos, make sure to subscribe to my channel G Phone Tech. Until I catch up with you on the next video, this is Giridhar signing off. Goodbye.